So I took out the flow meter from the end here, and I'm going to attach it to the other end of the hose so I can actually see it, what the flow is. That being said, it is nice how versatile this product is. You can probably attach it different locations so you can monitor. I would also say it's pretty intuitive as well, because knowing that now this is upside down, seeing the way the buttons are shown, I can probably flip it. Very nice. All right, and now I can see what flow I'm getting. So it looks like I'm getting steady flow 4, 4.1, 4.2. Very cool. This being a new hose, I could probably kind of use this flow that I'm getting right now as a set standard, and then if I'm getting anything lower than that, there's probably something wrong with the hose, either a clog or a loss of pressure. So this is actually kind of a cool tool to have.